You see, this is a big question whether Rahul Gandhi will be in jail and when. Today also, ED has seized many property of Robert Vadra. So I think there are many jail in India waiting for the Gandhis. So if from inside the jail he can arrest me, I don't know. But normally I know people who goes inside, they cannot arrest other people. So you see, he's just a MP today. How can he arrest the chief minister? So he has told in the meeting, write it down in the paper. Himanta Biswa Sarma will be put in his jail. Nobody has written. He has asked all the Congress members to write in the paper. So I asked Congress people, have you written in the paper? They said, no sir, wo to faltu baat bol raha tha, hum kyun likhe? Nobody has written in the paper. So Congress people also do not give him any patta. He knows that he can utter any word.